The Moen Arbor 7594 is a good choice for those who are looking to install their first faucet thanks to its smart and simple design. Welcome to ShouldIT Kitchen Faucet series. Hello folks, in today's ShouldIT DIY, we're installing the Moen Arbor 7594 single handle pull-down kitchen faucet. Let's do it. These are the components when you open up the box. Use the deck plate to cover the extra holes from 3-hole installation. Here, we only use this single rubber gasket. Notice the alignment of the grooves. Put the mounting bracket onto the main shaft. And secure it with the mounting nut. Notice the space for the water supply lines on the bracket. Use the included tool to tighten the mounting nut. Put on the hose protector and tighten by hand until snug tight. Connect the hose to the sprayer head. And push the hose all the way through the body. Connect the sprayer hose with the main water line via the clip connector. And clip the weight onto the hose at the yellow marker. Use Teflon tape when necessary. And connect the water supply lines, then tighten with a wrench. Finish up by running water and checking for leaks, and you're all done. And that's how we install the Moen Arbor 7594 kitchen faucet. Click like if you enjoyed the video and consider subscribing and donating to support the team. Check the descriptions below for more information and share your thoughts with us in the comments. Thanks for watching ShouldIT, and we'll see you in the next video.